Hey guys, today we are going to shoot some videos about how to clean a razor, or how I clean a razor at least. Yesterday, as you remember, if you watched the video, we had lots of snow. Today we are back to green grass. Good old Newfoundland. Gotta love it. Anyways, stay tuned if you want to watch on how I clean my razor. Give me some pointers if there's something I miss or something that you guys recommend. I'm all for it. I'm all in. Alright, as you can tell, last night's adventures gave us lots and lots of mud. So it's going to be a good hour's job to clean this up. And I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, I got my pressure washer set up. First thing you do, start with your top. Make sure you get all your undercarriage. Done. What I do is I take a microfiber cloth and start drawing it all off. Starting with the roof, of course, working your way down. After drawing it with a microfiber cloth, I like to take a Black & Decker hair blower. It's about 50 bucks at Walmart. I really enjoy using it. It makes the job a lot quicker. I usually walk around the machine, assess it for any damages. Today looks like some strippings came off here, so I'll be sure to put that back on. And then over here, I see we got a bit of a gouge in the rim from last night's adventures, so I'll touch that up as well before I do the next step. Now we have the door fixed and the rim is fixed as well with paint. Just use a small paint dabber. The next products I'm going to use will be Tire Shine and Rust Check. Rust Check I'm going to use for all the undercarriages. So places like your your shock, around all your axles, all your frame. Don't be afraid to use it. It's about $7 a can, so it's what protects your bike. Anything that's metal, really, I just give it a light coat. Always do the wiring as well. Any of the bolts at all. I don't know how well that's coming out on the video, but you get the idea. Next I go to a tire shine. Any brand will do, I guess. This is what brings the shine back in the bike. Very important. And this is what keeps the bike looking like new. That sums up how you clean a side-by-side, or that's how I clean a side-by-side at least. People might say, well, that's a lot of process, that's a lot of money to clean a side-by-side, or it's a lot of hassle to clean a side-by-side every time you want to use it. But hey, this is a 2015 with 3,000 kilometers on it. And in my opinion, I think it looks just like the day it came to the showroom. Why? Because I take care of it. I store it, I clean it, I rust check it every time I use it. So I guess it all depends on how well you want to maintain your machine. Anyways, as always, like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see anything else. If you're wondering what options this machine has, also as well, let me know. I can do another video on that. Bye for now. Peace.